If you want to know how a mother bird,
maybe I can make a sinigang with it.
teaches them how to fly, stay tuned because I'll tell you later.
Mabuhay ang Filipinas!
Yes.
They discovered something special in the garden and now I am not here to break your fall.
Zoals huis de Filipino soep.
Very delicious.
Wow.
My goodness, what is that? Ew.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
So ito na yung sabaw namin. I made a big pan because there was a lot of veggies. And naisip ko, maybe I can make a sinigang with it. But not everybody enjoys sinigang. They love sinigang. They eat sinigang. But nowadays, yeah. So I won't make a lot of sinigang. I'm not gonna make this all sinigang. So
Mabuhay!
Sinigang na sour.
yeah. So I'm putting some on the small pan and I'm gonna make the sinigang. So I'm gonna search for my tamarin sambal. And I'm gonna put it in there. So it's just simple. It's just put everything together because we don't want to waste it. We don't want to throw it away. Since we have really a lot of veggies and the fridge is full and freezer is full. So that's why better be creative. And Papa have a lot of recipes. But we need to do with the vegetables. So yeah. You want sinigang, Mariah, or else I need to add more? Who wants to try sinigang again?
I do, of course.
Sour soup?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want?
That's the best.
Okay, then I just put the sinigang in a small pan, and this is just normal. Yeah.
Hey, but let's first check out the birds, how the birds are doing outside. A very good afternoon, Mayong.
Hapon.
Hapon?
No, wait.
Hapon is not morning.
is-
Buntag.
Jawel. Mijn buntag, mijn hapon, mijn gabi. But in Tagalog, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi.
Yeah.
Yes, right?
We're done.
Did we do it right?
We're
Yes?
going to show you something.
Hey, first say who you are.
We are the RodVivKids Family vloggers, Dutch Filipino Family vlog from the Philippines.
So, mabuhay ang Filipinas
Yes.
and Filipinos, or sa Filipinos, sa Filipinas.
So as you may have seen in the videos,
From
a couple weeks ago I think, they discovered something special in the garden and now
Let's put a flashback
we're gonna
first. A small flashback.
Flashback.
There's a nest there. I was looking there one time with Jediah and Shia. Then we saw a nest. Then we climbed in, and then we saw two white eggs, and they were doves.
But we gave the eggs and the dove a name. The dove is named Da Vinci.
Because it's a dove, Da Vinci. I don't know if that's safe.
if the branch cracks, I am not here to break your fall. Hold up.
Is it filming? Okay.
If you break her eggs or drop them,
Oh.
the dove will hunt you down forever.
The Vinci will come for you.
There it is.
Make it to
Yeah.
a flashlight.
They see it very good.
Did they think you're their mother now?
How am I going to do that?
Oh yeah, you should look at the nest until they hatch and then...
The cat has just found. Get down, Midnight.
Out, out, out,
She was going
Out.
to kill the bird.
out. No, you're not allowed to go inside. Go out.
Is my marshmallow done?
We love you, but we also like the birds.
And then
Go out.
We like
Come here,
Da
come out.
Vinci and we'd
Hey,
like Da
out.
Vinci, Agnes and Ayana to still be alive.
The what now?
Da Vinci,
done?
Agnes and Ayana.
Oh my goodness.
Out, Fatty.
Is it done?
No, Da Vinci,
It looks like-
Lochi, Agnes, Lochi and Ayana,
Hey, but go
Lochi.
It's the same color. Mine was done in 5 seconds. Mine was done in 5 minutes.
We see.
How?
End of flashback.
We're going to try the ladder because we don't want them to fly away. Where we put it here?
Yeah, I think somewhere here. As you saw just now, you saw two little eggs.
Yes,
and now we're going to show you them
Because a few days ago we saw that the eggs had hatched, so now we're going to film the little birds.
Be careful, huh?
Probably they're a week
careful,
or
just 'cause
something.
there's no wire
They're
here.
a week old or something.
Yeah, no, Samuel is filming, so you film there. Oh yeah, go, try.
I want to go through.
Hey, but I think we have to put the ladder here, because the nest is there, Baru. Go down.
But then you go under the nest.
No. Like this.
It's safer. Maybe put this one away.
And we would like to know from you why you like to watch us. We like to show our life. We like to share. And but the first thing why we make these videos is for us to later be able to look back our life. Like years later, we're gonna look back instead of having a computer or a hard disk full of all kinds of small clips. It's much nicer to make a nice vlog so you can really watch it back for our own. And then we're also sharing it with you guys.
Hello.
Go.
Now let's see.
Go film them.
Please hold the ladder.
Okay. I'm holding it by climbing on it.
Are they there?
Yes.
Are they still there?
Yes.
Can you go a bit higher, Baru?
Cute.
A bit higher. You can go here.
The wire.
Maybe here.
Do you think your mom has
Oh,
taught
they're
them
so
how to
big
fly
already.
If you want to know how a mother bird teaches their young how to, or the father, I think, I don't know, teaches them how to fly, stay tuned because I'll tell you later. It's very interesting.
We will demonstrate.
It's horror. It's traumatic.
We will demonstrate with Mariah.
It's traumatic. Yeah, we're gonna demonstrate it. We're gonna climb the roof, and then we do something with Mariah. So
We teach Mariah how
watch
to
it till
fly.
the end.
That's so big!
They're really not even look like they're really just as big as the mom, but a bit smaller. But they're more a bit furry and stuff. Not really that much feathers.
Have you seen
They're
yet?
not, that means that they're less furry.
Yes.
And you said they're more furry. Well,
The head,
Belle, did you feel them well?
doesn't have. Maybe you can feel feathers.
Are they big? Are they small?
Like this or something.
Yeah, Mama's got to
Andyan
look.
yung mga ibon kasi yung eggs nagha-hatch na. How many?
Two.
Dalawang ibon. Langgam in Bisaya.
Langgam? What is langgam?
Langgam is
Dog?
bird in
What is a dove?
Bisaya. Kalapati.
Kalapati. So langgam, kalapati. Kalapati, langgam. I know, I'm sure. There are some people. I know there are some people that are watching us, and when we try to speak Tagalog, you find it hilarious. We're trying our best, right?
Their names are Agnes and Ayana.
I thought it was a small bird.
Yeah.
It was like this.
So big already?
So big already.
They've seen it already. We haven't.
You want to see? Oh.
We will only see it when we see the vlog, or when I'm editing the vlog, then I will see how big they were. I haven't seen them yet. But let's. Can I see as well?
Yes.
You go first.
I was looking for the baby birds, but that was it.
How big
And what are
were
you
the
doing
eggs?
in the house? You are cooking.
Nagluluto ako ng sabaw. Sopas.
Soup.
Oh yeah.
Sopas is soup. Sabaw is
Sopas.
Bisaya.
Yes, but sopas, what sopas? Sopas
Gulay. Sopas gulay.
gulay.
Because we had a lot of vegetables. The one that are from the, how do you call it? The
Given to us.
chilled vegetables. So I have, given to us. So I have to finish it before it spoils.
But gulay, what was it again in Bisaya?
Gulay.
I'm confused.
Gulay and gulay.
Yeah, I'm confused with bahasa. And bahasa is
Sayur.
sayur. Let me see. Oh my goodness. These are not baby birds anymore. You've seen her. First time I see them. I only saw last time. I saw the small eggs.
Yeah.
And now they're giants.
I want to see too.
I only saw the face yesterday. So
Wow. You sure you filmed it well, Bauchel?
I think so.
Sammy, can you give me the camera so we can also show it on the big camera? It's a bit funny filming. Bit funny filming. But I don't wear my glasses. Where are you? Are they on the camera? It's a bit dark. No. Can we see them now? Where are they? Is it the bird? I don't wear glasses. Is it them?
Maybe the bird thinks the mother is
yeah.
coming with your microphone
Wow.
there.
Now let's beep, 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 beep. Say something.
Say something.
Say something. I'm gonna.
There's also
Nana, you finish it. You also want to?
Yeah, Mariah.
Yeah, Mariah, go.
I haven't seen them ever. I
Yeah,
haven't
I've
seen the
seen them
eggs.
also.
I've only seen the eggs in the video though.
surprised when you see them.
Oh,
Mariah
what
mag-ingat.
if they... Oh my gosh! What is that?
Monsters.
Don't scare them away.
I didn't even
Monsters.
expect them to look like that.
Big.
I was only
Well, it's not just big, it's just different than I
Hairy,
expected. I thought they were
feathery.
cute little
Yeah.
sweeties, but
Monsters.
they look like they climb on your face and then pick at it.
Now Samuel,
Maybe they're scared. They're
Hey,
like,
but I think we need to take some pictures. for
Samuel
you.
wants to take a turn.
Samuel, go.
Can I show
Yeah, hey, can you bring the...
No, you will spoil.
Yeah, we
your
also have to
onesie.
take some picture.
show another way?
take a selfie with
Papa, he wants to show another way to climb a tree.
Oh yeah, no, you go.
Oh, Samuel.
Still.
Ah, what are you doing?
Why?
Goodness, what is that?
It's a
Ew.
bird. It's not.
No.
The thing is, you expect a baby bird.
Don't kill me.
Don't be so loud, maybe they're scared.
It reminded me of a
Hey, you can
vulture.
You probably expect the little birds we had
I
once.
hope you look well in the end, bird, and that you learn to fly.
Later.
Hey, move! I have the camera, Baru.
In his face!
Oh, the chair.
Oh, Midnight, come here!
Oh, chair. Let us introduce you, if you're new to your channel. This is our youngest baby. Actually,
15 years old.
our third, that was my eat-log. My third youngest baby. First Samuel, then Mariah. Then she came, 15 years, and then came Evie.
We haven't seen her for the first 15 years of her life, but okay.
And Cat, she's actually
Listen,
72.
Listen. She's not always happy.
You want to give me a kiss? I was bored. That's so ugly!
Run to you. Vegetable soup. I think Mama has made it some Filipino style soup.
Some baby bird too.
Hey, that sounds like it's broken. Sounds broken. So we're having peanut pie.
With gulai, obviously. Oh, wait, no.
Soppa. Because we have a lot of bread also. So, isn't it delicious to put chips on your bread with cheese or something? That's right.
That's what we often do when we're traveling. Just go to the store, buy some bread and chips and eat it like that.
Yeah, with the melted cheese, which doesn't melt anyway. Unless, except for in your belly. Hey, please sit down, we're gonna eat.
Okay. You're so cool.
And pan in Bisaya.
Peanut pie.
Peanut pie.
Peanut pie.
Remember is the banana.
Can we put this for the birds in the nest? They're big already. They won't die?
Do you dare?
Yes, of course.
I dare.
Do you want to do it? If they won't eat it, then the mother bird will give it to
But
them.
don't put the plastic in there, or they might
Yeah, so like
eat
that.
that.
Just joke there. It's so scary. Go, do it. Too scary.
Why scary? They are birds.
They're gonna attack me. With their scary eyes looking at me.
Put it next to
Scary eyes. Now, do it.
Moving.
Hey, try.
They're moving.
Now, Barusha must have to do it.
Yes.
the rescue.
Go to the rescue. and then we're gonna have lunch. Huh?
Ow! I'm stuck off.
Go up, Al.
Please hold this.
So how was Bird again? How was the name? How was Bird? With an L, I think.
Simba, can you hold it?
Lamas? Nee, I don't
Vivian was Bird. Moraya,
Ingat siya.
Bird in Tagalog.
What is bird in Tagalog?
It's so
Or
ugly!
did you put it in already?
No.
Jongens, you just have to give it to them.
It's scary. They do the thing with the wings. They go.
No, never mind. Let the mama bird do that.
Oh, now I'm stuck.
Hey, but let's
Eat soup.
Help!
Sekaonata. And the other one was in Tagalog?
Mangaon.
Mangaon.
I don't know. I think it was.
Time for lunch!
Yeah. So who's gonna eat the sour one and who's wants normal?
Sinigang.
Let's all first eat the sour one.
Sinigang!
Sinigang.
Actually,
Sopas
hindi
sinigang.
ko natagpuan yung tamarin ko, so I just put the citron. How do you call it? Lemon juice in there. And it works.
Tama nga this I mean,
The
it's a
plum,
little
the sour plum.
Are there
fusing.
spoons here?
Asam.
Yeah.
There's no spoons.
Oh, no spoons yet. Yeah. Shaz, this is yours.
Yes. Is it very sour?
And as our mother learned from Lola, and as we learned from Mama, you take the soup or the stuff from the side of the bowl because it's less hot.
It's the soup. I'm going to
Remember champurrado, yeah.
Yes. And thank you God for the food.
this.
Thank you Mom for preparing it, and thank you baby birds for giving your life.
Yeah! What?
Look here.
So,
There's the piece of bird.
Piece of bird.
It's not true.
Delicious.
Oh,
Good tasting.
it works.
It's very nice.
Yes.
Also, like with a lot of vegetables, you can really like just chew it. It's real food. Except
Yeah.
just
Lami
sipping soup.
kaayo.
so the Dayang.
I've shown them what I'm doing with my food. Like this, and like
He's
this.
showing what.
Carrot, like
But you're behind everything.
But in the Philippines, would you also dip pandesal in the soup, or do you not do that?
No, I think people also do like that.
Yeah, but why don't we eat rice at the moment? Shaya?
because we had too much
Vegetables.
And too much bread.
But do you regret eating vegetables, Abby?
No. Yes.
What?
No.
Yes?
What?
Who says yes?
Ta-da!
Why? You don't want vegetables?
Yes, I do. I don't know what to get me.
Okay.
And if you like broccoli,
Broccoli.
then thumbs up.
Okay.
So this is how
Oh yeah,
Filipino
that's
soup.
that's no broccoli. Very delicious.
Yes. But what you are doing is actually very Dutch. Dipping the bread in there. But I heard it's also Filipino do that. Pandesal in
I
there.
guess so. Yeah. Filipino eat anything with bread as well. You know, Filipino eat spaghetti with bread,
Oh yeah.
pancit with bread. Yeah.
They eat food with bread.
Kumakain din sila kami ng ano, yung pandesal with adobo in there. So everything works.
But it also
And we dip the bread in the coffee. Pandesal in the coffee. It's a breakfast.
But it also helps because if you don't have a lot of noodles,
Sounds like French.
you still get filled if you eat it with the bread.
Yeah.
But I do think it does taste a little different than from when you use the what do you call it, tamarind or the asam instead of just the
Lemon.
lemon. Yeah, but it's still nice.
Yeah. But do you also ever wonder why Filipino eat a lot of bread? Can you remember how many bakeries there are?
Yeah.
Dami kayang bakeries sa street, sa daan, ano? Yung nasa butuan.
do with Spain?
I think so. They influence the bread, or maybe the Americans as well. Yeah.
We were open to go to Spain, huh?
Yeah. So, kung naaalala nyo, nung nasa butuan pa kami noon, nung 2018, 2019, that I was really like wondering how many bakery in one street. It's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Yeah.
And that was not even many there. In other cities or something, they have a lot.
stay tuned because I'm still going to tell you how a baby bird learns to fly. Fly.
Again, take two.
And stay tuned because I'm still going to tell you how a baby bird learns to fly.
I will be the.
And Poppy, you still need to taste it.
Yeah, we would have loved. Oh yeah, I have to taste it. No, you.
I have a tip on how you catch a bird.
Actually, did you learn eating soup from the sides of the plate from Mama? Or who is always saying that?
I thought it was Papa.
From Papa. Papa always says, yeah. But we will talk about bread that maybe comes from Spain. In the Philippines, but we don't know for sure. We know that Spanish eat pasta and bread and everything, but we will still hope to check it out. That we can go to Spain. We're not sure yet if the house is Malaga is going to be whatever's going to happen. We love you, Kev, and I've just messaged you this morning. I hope everything is fine with you. We're a bit worried that maybe you got caught by the COVID or something, and that somebody else is opening your phone, or maybe you lost your phone, you can't get into your messenger, or you lost your password or something, because somebody is reading the messages. And but we are very curious how Spain is, because I'm sure we will see, and especially Vivian will see a lot of heritage or recognized things in Spain, which you also see in the Philippines.
Yeah, like buildings.
The other way, the other way around is like, for example, when we went to Indonesia, we suddenly saw a lot of Dutch things and Dutch words in Indonesia, and buildings and everything, and even still old people that were speaking Dutch. So, but vice versa, I'm sure Vivian will hear a lot of. Well, when you were watching a series, Vivian, remember that you knew so many words.
Yeah, so I thought when we were watching El Dragon, and it was all in Spanish. You have to
You have
read.
also done from Morocco.
Oh yeah, and the more,
Spanish
yeah.
Love in times of war.
Love in times of war. Yeah.
So a lot of Spanish words that are just Filipino words, or Filipino words that are Spanish words,
No,
whatever.
Spanish words that are in the Filipino vocabulary. And talaga naisip ko, ang bilis siguro na aking matuto ng Spanish if ever I'm in Spain, because there are a lot of words. Just like, because I know how to speak Dutch in Indonesia, it was easier to learn Indonesian because there are Dutch words and Filipino words that are similar. So for me, it's easier to remember it.
It tastes very different. It is very, what were you saying? I thought you were
I'm curious.
Yeah. So if there's still a possibility for us to go to Spain, then we really would like to do that. Or another place in Europe is also fun, but just to see the heritage from the Philippines back in Spain, it would be cool. It's different from the normal from the normal sour sinigang soup.
But the thing is, it makes the soup nice actually, with the lemon in there. Fresh and
yeah. So a little while we're going to eat also the not sour one. This is more like Dutch then, but of course there's no bird in there. Because of course we didn't put the small birds in there.
No, only after they learn
Chicken.
to fly, because it's not fair to them yet.
Oh yeah, chicken. Here, chicken, chicken cubics.
You still want to know how to catch a bird?